Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Is this guys? Let's just unpack on Senzo Meyiwa ubuyile advocate Mnisi. He came back with the bang. Ubaloyi esekhulumela uSireyo uvele wathi ene no uyansara mos ukuthi ene benziwa imithetho yakwa Ballistics SA. Wathi uMnisi yebo ngifuna lo muntu aphendule umbuzo wami. Yebo uMnisi just came back hot. Very very hot today. I really don't know what got into him. I was just like, uMnisi is taking another direction. Uhlanyela abantu. Umhlanyela uRatha wathi no, lo muntu lo ngifuna aphendule umbuzo. Wagcina sesusireyo no, ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuphendula lo mbuzo. Wathi uMnisi thank you. Ngeke uzuphendule. Okay. Lieutenant Colonel umbona ukuthi manje sesarcastic uMnisi. Already nje when it started nje bebengasazwani nje uSireyo noMnisi because uMnisi is on to him still ngalento le ayisho ku advocate Mshololo and abe busy ke uRatha ke noBaloyi amkhulumela uthi I know that is not what he meant. uMnisi is like, what did he mean? You understand? Angithi asikho ku aviation la, angithi sikhuluma ngama ballistics, angithi he is not he doesn't work for healthcare. Yabo nje noMnisi at times guys. It was about Mangena, and it's when he took the exhibits from Cleveland police station to move around in us. Like who even does that, guys? uRatha usayamkhulumela. uSireyo yabo especially bekuwumshololo kakhulu bebhizi nalento yebag that wasn't sealed. And uMnisi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi what is the reason. Abamuhemisi shem for that bag that was not closed. uMnisi is like, hayibo wena ngicela ukuthi ungichazele kahle ukuthi what is the reason vele for the bag, ukuthi it's for the integrity of what is inside. This guy, how is it different manje from uMangena? Hayi mina sebeyafana bonke actually. uMnisi said to Sireyo, please don't try and deviate now from what you had said ngoba ngeke sashintsha, it's on record now. Nina nithatha izinto ama-revolver, ama-9mm, anything that you put, you take it open and you don't put it on bags in. You decide what you want to do, so it will never change. It's on record now, and you are actually a hired gun. what you call yourselves normally ama-ballistics ukuthi you are a hired gun. Wathi uBaloyi, that's not appropriate. That's not right. Why would you say that? We understand. What uMnisi yebo, that's exactly how I feel. So you can answer. Sireyo was telling uMnisi ukuthi ena ngeke ngathatha mina izinto zaseMarikana 1,000 of them, they were in my car. Wathi angifuna ukwazi. I'm talking about a single one. Is it not supposed to be in a sealed bag? Ulubele ungitshela ngezinto zaseMarikana ezi-1,000 ezazi-open, angingeni nowhere lapho. Uyisigebengu uSireyo manje usekhuluma ngoDave Peterse indaba yaseMarikana ukuthi wayephethe ibhamu ezi-over 600. Usefuthi na 1,000, uMnisi uthi over 600, and then wamuva nazo around zingafakiwe. Uthi uMnisi yes he did that, but wathi mesefike ofisini wafika wayiregister kuqala, wena wamuva nezinto zingafakiwe on sealed bags. You understand ukuthi those are two different things. Uyamsaba uDave. Usekhuluma ngayo ngoba engekho kodwa. uMnisi is just arguing nje noRatha and Baloyi, and uBaloyi akafuna ukuthatha this thing as a fact ukuthi kwangeke uze kubizwe abanye abantu abawu more than 3 after uSireyo. If this was a clear-cut case, it was a borderline case, this case. It was a difficult case basically. Why can't they just agree uRatha ubhizi uyamphikisa and akamuzwa nokuthi uthini uMnisi. Wagcina sethe furthermore, let me put it to you, esho kuSireyo, I'm actually done with you. Sengiqedile. Cabanga guys, I was just like, I'm done with uMnisi. I want uMnisi. Shem. uMnisi ended up being dizzy there at court. Ngoba noSireyo naye is trying so hard to justify himself, but umnisi is like, listen here, you are lying. I'm not backing down ngalamangako. Umnisi says the reason why there was a lot of people that were called in to check this, it's because it's not a clear cut, it's borderline. So why nje umnisi guys, yo, it went technical almost the whole day. Sebexabana no Baloyi. Ubaloyi was like, nje, we can't put that as a fact. Wathi umnisi, it's going to be a fact. I'm submitting it to you. I'm putting it to you. Futhi mase say I'm putting it to you, say qedile umnisi. The court proceedings were so long, guys, but end up and umnisi talked the whole day. Yo, I was like, oh, guys, umnisi naye. And then we end up having a very huge fight with Urata and Baloyi. Ethi uBaloyi is feeding the witness izinto kanti uBaloyi was just nje ebuza witness uSerewo ukuthi uyavumelana nezinto ateshiwo umnisi. Wathi no, I'm not gonna stand here ngilalelane noBaloyi eloke libhizi efeedana nalo muntu. Wathi Urata, no, that's not what's going on. Yo, umnisi vele abahlanyela abantu, guys. Umnisi is just arguing nje no Rata and Baloyi, and uBaloyi akafuna ukuthatha this thing as a fact ukuthi kwangeke kuze kubizwe abanye abantu aba more than 3 after uSerewo. If this was a clear cut case, it was a borderline case. This case, it was a difficult case basically. Why can't they just agree? Uras ubizwe amphikisi and akamuzwa ukuthi uthini umnisi.